Hey, it's a great day here at Gray & Sons. Welcome to our watch reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the Hublot King Power Unico GMT in 18-karat rose gold, reference number 771.OM.1170.RX. Let's get started. The watch comes in a gigantic 48mm case size. The case is a fusion of 18-karat rose gold, which Hublot calls King Gold, black ceramic, and titanium. Adding to the bulk of the watch is the 17.6mm case thickness. The watch features numerous patented H-shaped Hublot screws on the case and around the bezel. There's quite a bit going on with the dial and bezel of this watch, so let's break it down. The dial is a multi-layered black skeleton dial with rose gold skeleton hands. The center gold hands display the local time, 10:20. The watch simultaneously shows the current time in 12 different time zones. These are indicated by the 12 cities around the world. On the bezel, you have Santiago, Moscow, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Los Angeles, and Aspen. On the dial, we have London, Karachi, Tokyo, Auckland, Anchorage, and New York. Then, inside of that, you have these 4 24-hour aluminum discs with day-night indication. The red arrows connect the city names with the corresponding hour on the discs. The hours on the world time discs are in 24-hour time or military time, so you can easily distinguish between AM and PM. For example, the red arrow from Aspen points to 10, which is set as our local time, the current time being 10:20 AM. The 10 you read from the disc, and the minutes you read from the center gold minute hand. The red arrow from New York points to 12, so the current time in New York is 12:20 PM. The red arrow from Bangkok points to 24, so the current time in Bangkok is 12:20 AM. The day-night indication on the discs helps you to easily see whether it is day or night in the corresponding city. The lighter half of the disc indicating day and the darker half of the disc indicating night. Setting the world time to your local time zone is as easy as pressing the pusher button at 2 o'clock until the time reading for the city within your local time zone matches the current time displayed by the main center gold hands. The automatic winding movement, caliber HUB 1220, is clearly visible under the sapphire caseback and features a 72-hour power reserve. This watch also comes with an upgraded black alligator and rubber strap with red stitching and a sturdy gold and titanium deployant buckle. The King Power Unico GMT is everything you could want from a Hublot watch, large and loud and flaunting its design and complications. It's not a watch for the subtle or inconspicuous. It is a watch that draws admiration and attention. If you loved this video and would like to see more luxury watch reviews, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.